Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. Today we're going to talk about vehicle options. Now many of you know I'm a proponent of using the OEM factory scan tools versus an aftermarket. That's just my Mike Anderson Collision Advice's opinion. Here's why. Because those factory scan tools allow us to access the build data so they know exactly what vehicle options or computers are on a vehicle. But I wanted to talk to Danny a little bit today about why options or the build data is important when we're writing a repair plan, or some people call it an estimate, right? Or a blueprint, whatever term you use. So Danny, can you tell me about the three different estimating systems and understanding the options or the build data?
Absolutely. So vehicle options are really important to select when you're decoding the VIN in the estimating system. So that way you have the accurate information in the vehicle chapter. Many vehicles may or may not come with a fog light as a standard feature, as an example. So when you're replacing a bumper cover, is that database able to capture the opportunity of accounting for the fog lights, or does it consider it based on the base model vehicle without that optional accessory? So again, you want to go into your vehicle options tab, select all the correct options such as fog lights, sensors, electronics, even multi-power seat features. Because if you're not going to select those things, it's going to default to the standard base model vehicle build, and it's always going to be based on the most generic of that vehicle available. And if you don't, it's not going to capture that additional opportunity. So again, select the correct options, account for it, and then that way you can get the correct labor opportunities in addition.
Great insights, Danny. And ladies and gentlemen, always remember this principle, right? Clicks are free. Too often, Danny, I'm sure you would agree, that people are like, well, that's included. Ladies and gentlemen, clicks are free. Doesn't cost you nothing to select it. So I hope you got value out of this tip, and thanks for joining us today.